Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm sharing how to make DIY fridge magnets using air dry clay. These magnets aren't just for keeping lists and photos in place on your fridge, but they also serve much needed decoration. So go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. To make this DIY, you will first need an air dry clay. If you want to make clay at home, then check out description box down below where I shared link to the video of air dry clay. Now roll this clay with rolling pin and make sure to roll it with even thickness. Next, take cookie cutters and cut out different shapes you like. Now take something round and make a hole right in the middle of a circle to create a donut shape. Once you are happy with the shape, then let it completely air dry for 48 hours. Now let's decorate star-shaped fridge magnet. I am using purple acrylic paint to color my fridge magnet. Make sure to color sides and back as well. Next, I am applying glitter nail polish as a sealer. Once it's dry, it's time to add cute kawaii face with black acrylic paint using dotting tool. Then apply pink blush with dotting tool and let it completely dry. Now let's decorate donut shape. First, apply beige color to make donut base. Now I am using 3D paint, also called as puffy paint, as a frosting to the donut. Let it dry and then make chocolate drizzle with brown puffy paint. Then keep it aside to dry. Now to decorate heart magnet, I am calling my pastel rainbow squad. Next, I am coloring the heart with pastel rainbow stripes. Make sure to color sides as well. Let it dry and then apply clear glitter nail polish as a sealer. Next, attach magnets to these cute shapes using hot glue or any other strong glue. And our super kawaii fridge magnets are ready to keep lists and photos in place. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you recreate any of these, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIYWithZini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day and happy crafting!